Hello and welcome to a new Mautic video provided to you by HEM. Our topic is agencies. To create an agency, on the main menu you click on agencies and then you go for new to start creating the agency. Start by adding the agency name, then of course the agency email, and you can fill out the rest of the information you have, such as address, website, phone, and under professional you have extra fields also that you could fill. When done, you simply save and close. You could also delete an agency, clone one, or edit the information. Thank you very much for watching. For more Mautic videos, please visit our website www.higher-education-marketing.com.